Hi everyone, Penny here from Topper Down Under. Today I'm taking my 79 series Land Cruiser down to Airbag Man for a bit of an upgrade. I've already got their airbags installed and I absolutely love them, so I'm keen to see what they've got planned. Let's flick over to Benny and Jacob for the upgrade.
G'day guys, as you can see here we got Penny's LC79 and boy do we have an awesome upgrade for her.
Penny's had her airbags installed for about 2 years now. This kit's helped maintain a safe and level ride height when towing her camper and carrying loads while touring our amazing country.
Benny, do you want to give us a rundown on the kit?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Penny's been inflating and deflating her airbags by the manual inflation valves. These come standard in all of our airbag helper kits.
Until we came along with this little beauty. So what we're going to hook Penny up with is a dual air control kit. Included in the kit you get your 2 switches to inflate and deflate the airbags. You get your digital gauge to show the pressures. You get your little brackets to house the digital gauge and the switches. You've got all your pressure sensors, you've got plenty of airline there and all the wiring and the fittings and stuff like that. So everything you need comes in the kit.
This kit is designed to adapt into a wide range of existing air compressors. And in Penny's case, we'll be plumbing it up to our Ironman compressor. Now this compressor has a tire inflation attachment. So for the best of both worlds, we'll have to install a T-piece, which will allow us to plumb in our air controls. Let's get into it. All of our air control kits come with a set of Y-pieces. This allows you to adapt into the existing air lines and maintain your inflation valves. Let's fit these up and then route the air lines back to the gauge and switches. Y pieces are in, now it's time to route the airlines through to the gauge and switches. Before we go ahead and connect the rest of the airlines, we're going to mount the gauge and switches. Now instead of using the brackets supplied in the kit, we've gone ahead and made a custom one for Penny to fit it nicely beside the compressor. Now the gauge and switches are in, it's time to install the pressure sensors and finish connecting the airlines.
Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Now all the airlines are connected up to the gauge, switches and compressor, it's time to look at the wiring. Now we've connected up to ignition and ground up in the cab and run a pair of wires to the back here. We'll connect those up to the gauge and then perform a leak test.
There we go guys, the install's now complete. It's time to flick over to Penny to show you how it works.
Now that Benny and Jacob have installed this neat control system, I'm excited to try it out. All I need to do is add load to the vehicle, turn my air supply on, and with a flick of a switch, pump up the airbags, which will then return my vehicle back to its level ride height position. Piece of cake. The team at Airbag Man have plenty of cool options like this to suit all sorts of requirements for your application. If you like what you see here, make sure you get in contact with Benny and Jacob. And remember to bag it with the best.